Oh, I almost got her foot. That would have been good.
Put that on camera.
That was a good holding job, right? Washington, and we are headed to the airport right now. We're flying to the greater Boston, Massachusetts area. He's been to Brazil, but this might be the farthest away I've been from home.
One fun fact, if we could have jumped on the nearest freeway to our house, it would have taken us all the way to Boston.
So while we're in Boston, we're gonna make sure to get an interview with these awesome people, and we're gonna tour their house, and we're gonna get all kinds of good, helpful information for other owner builders.
Basically, we're getting a second opinion. Give you an opportunity to hear from a different couple.
And we know that a lot of you guys are watching or reading from the other side of the country. We would like to get experiences from other people in other areas, and we're starting with Boston. Yes, please come say hi if you see us. We've been traveling for 12 hours now. We left our house at 8:30 this morning. We are about to land in Boston, and it is almost 11:30 Massachusetts time. That's so cool. Welcome to Boston. Okay, so funny story. I have always wanted a Jeep Wrangler. It's like my dream car since I was little. And I couldn't find one on the rental car website, so we just got a Jetta, because that's another one of our cars that we like. And we got here, and the guy let us get in a Wrangler. So here we are in our sweet rental car. It's bright red. And we are heading to find our Airbnb. We just flew across the country, and right now we are driving on the exact same freeway that goes right next to our house in Central Washington. We made it to our Airbnb, and it is adorable. Check this out. Yes, super cute. But it is 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're starving because we haven't had dinner yet, and we're gonna head to bed. So we'll see you in the morning. It's time to head out and meet the owner builders, and then we're gonna get to work. spot off the road too. Well, show us around. Can I see the inside?
So this is obviously the front entry, and then over here will be the.
I think you guys get a lot more cold and wet than we do, but
Yeah, it's pretty gross about 6 months out of the year, so this space is desirable. How's
I
everyone
do.
be away from all 5 of them right now?
it's weird. Every time we see a baby, I'm like, I need to hold a kid, you know? All right, Farmer and I are here in the greater Boston, Massachusetts area, and we are working with Queen Bee and Worker Bee today on their colonial house.
I was good. So technically a male bee is a drone, but they don't do anything. They literally just like hang out in the hive and get fed and cleaned up by male worker bees.
That sounds perfect.
And then they like go out, like their only lot in life is to go out and like find a potential queen to mate with.
Uh-huh.
So I was like,
Probably shouldn't be a drone bee. And we're gonna be putting down some decking with them. They got some Trex deck that they are working on putting down. And Farmer's already hard at work, so I'm gonna go over and see what we're doing. Can you just tell the camera what stuff you're putting down?
Yes, we're putting Trex Select decking down
Okay, and why did you pick this stuff?
because it's awesome for the weather, changes that we have here in New England. Super like scratch resistant, dent resistant. You can pressure wash it, holds its color. My parents have had theirs for like 20 years.
Good.
Still looks good.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Absolutely.
you can add that your wife didn't feel like you're finishing a deck once a year.
There you
Oh
go.
yes, that's a good reason, not having to refinish it. I love the color.
Yeah, at first like when they delivered the top layer was up like this, it was like, that's not the color we wanted. That kind
Yeah.
of sucks.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, turn it over. It was like, awesome. Okay.
I'm mostly just watching right now. I'm helping hold the board sometimes.
Are you?
A little bit. I was just gonna show everybody the cool tools they have. This Trex deck comes with these cool little holes that fill in all of your sunk screws and nifty little drill bits. Yeah, with these little pads on them so you don't screw them in too far. We're just finishing up our day, helping out with this awesome, beautiful deck. Check it out. It's gonna be so nice. Hopefully tomorrow we can get a whole bunch of work done too, and we won't leave these guys with a whole bunch of extra work. Now we're gonna head out in our little rental car. Hey, Farmer and I wanna come work on your house. Would you like to be next? You only have to do 3 things. First, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Second, you need to like and share this video. You're gonna need to rent a billboard and, no, I'm just kidding. You can share it anywhere you like, though a billboard would probably get you extra points. But I put a link in the description down below so that you can share it on Facebook. And the third thing you need to do is leave a comment down below. We wanna know where you're from and what you'd like our help on. And that's it. Then you never know, maybe Farmer and I will just show up on your doorstep.